Hello students, this is Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. Today in this video, I am going to discuss 6.3 exercise of Unit 6 ratio applications of class 7. So in that first question, a length of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeters. And what is the actual length of the bacteria? Here the first question is, what is the actual length of the bacteria? And the second question is, if the length is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? Here in my last video, I have discussed what is direct proportion and inverse proportion, children. If one quantity increases, then other quantity increases, then they are in direct proportion. If one quantity decreases, if another quantity is also decreases, then also we can say it is in direct proportion. If you see this question, the length of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times is 5 centimeters. So what is the actual length of bacteria? Right? Means 1 centimeter, how much? Right? Means 1 times when it is enlarged, how many centimeters it is? So definitely the value decreases, definitely the length also decreases. So both increase, both decrease comes under direct proportion. So here they are in direct proportion. Now I am right here. Length of bacteria and here number of times bacteria enlarge. Now here they are given 50,000 times when it is enlarged, it is 5 centimeters. They are asking what is the actual length. Actual length means 1 time how much. When 50,000 times it is 5 centimeters, then 1 time is how much? Then do cross multiplication. So x into 50,000 equal to 5 into 1. So what is x here? 5 by 50,000. So when we do cancellation with 5 table, you will get 1 by 10,000. This is nothing but 0.0001 centimeters. And you know the length of bacteria is very small. We can't see with our naked eye. So here the actual length of bacteria is how much? It's 0.0001 centimeters. And coming, this is the first part of the question, children. Now second one, they asked if the length is enlarged 20,000 times, then what would be its enlarged length? Coming to second part, same length of bacteria, number of times bacteria enlarged. If the number of times is increased, definitely the value of this length of bacteria is also increases. If number of times enlarged is decreases, so the length of bacteria also decreases. So here, first we will compare length of bacteria is 5 centimeters when it is enlarged to 50,000 times. And the question is, when it is enlarged 20,000 times, so what is the length of bacteria? So cross multiplication. So x into 50,000 is equal to 20,000 into 5. So what is x, children? 20,000 into 5 by 50,000. Right? So 0, 0, 0, 0, here we can cancel. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So finally you got the 2 answer. So when it is enlarged 20,000 times, then what is the length of bacteria here? 2 centimeters. Right? So therefore length of bacteria when it is enlarged 20,000 times is 2 centimeters. Coming to second question, children. Observe the following tables and find x is directly proportional to y or none. Here in my last video I have discussed one formula for direct proportion. Suppose x is, this is the symbol for proportional, children. So x is directly proportional to y means we have to remove this proportionality symbol by taking a fixed value, that is constant k into y. So what is constant now? X by y. So when you find x by y, if you are getting the same value, means constant value for all these numbers, then we can say x is directly proportional to y. So here in this particular table we need to find constant, that is nothing but k equal to x by y. So we need to find x by y in all these cases. So in this first one 20 by 40, and if you cancel 21s or 22s are, so you got the value of k as 1 by 2. Coming to here 17 by 34, 17 1s are 17 2s are, so 1 by 2. Now 14 by 28, 14 1s are 14 2s are, so 1 by 2. And 11 by 22, okay, 11 1s are 11 2s are, 1 by 2. Now 8 by 16, 8 1s are 8 2s are, so 1 by 2. Next 5 by 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 1 by 2. And 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 1 by 2. So for all these values we got constant as 1 by 2. Then here we can say x is directly proportional to y. Coming to second one, x and y values are given, children. So we'll find x by y. Here 6 by 4. So 6 by 4, if you do cancellation you will get 2 3s are 3 2s are. So 3 by 2. Right? And next one is 10 by 8. Here 2 5s are 2 4s are, 5 by 4. Next one is 14 by 12. 2 7s are 2 6s are, so 7 by 6. Now 18 by 16. 2 9s are 2 8s are, so 9 by 8. Coming to here 22 by 20. 11s are 10s are, so 11 by 10. And 26 by 24. 13 by 12. 13 by 12. And 30 by 28. 2 15s are 2 14s are, so 15 by 14. If you see here, the value of x by y is not same, means it is not constant in all cases, right? The values are different, right? So x by y is not same in all cases. That is, they are not in uniform. Therefore, we can say x is not directly proportional to y. Next, third one, constant is nothing but x by y. So 5 by 15 will find, children. 5 1s are 5 3s are, so you will get 1 by 3 here. Next here 8 by 24. 8 1s are 8 3s are, so 1 by 3. And 12 by 36. 12 1s are 12 3s are, so 1 by 3. So 15 by 16. 15 1s are 15 4s are, so 1 by 4. Here the value is changing. So 18 by 72. 18 1s are 18 4s are, so 1 by 4. Now 20 by 100. 20 1s are 25s are. Again the value is changing from here. Next 25 by 125. 1s are 5s are. So here the value of k is not same for all the cases, right? So the value of k is not uniform here. Therefore we can say x is not directly proportional to y, because the value of k is not uniform. Next, third question. Shushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter is representing 18 kilometers. She drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? So on the map we know the distance shown in with small, because on the map 18 kilometers is showing like 1 centimeter. So how much it will show for 72 kilometers in the map. So as the distance is more, the value in the map is also will be more. If the distance is less, the indicating in the map will also be less, right children? So both increase, both decrease. That is, they are in direct proportion. If both increase, both decrease, we can call they are in direct proportion. So here I can write distance on road and distance on map. So here 18 kilometers is representing 1 centimeter in the map. So for 72 kilometers, how much it represents in the map? That is x. Okay. So here x into 18 kilometers is nothing but 1 centimeter into 72 kilometers. Now x is nothing but 1 centimeter into 72 kilometers by 18 kilometers, right? So here kilometers gets cancelled. 18 ones are 18 fours are. So 1 centimeter into 4 is nothing but 4 centimeters. So x value is 4 centimeters. So when the distance is 72 kilometers, it is represented on the map as 4 centimeters.